Hello, fellow car enthusiasts, and welcome back to Car Master Tips. I'm thrilled to have you here today because we're diving into a topic that's close to every EV owner's heart. Making your electric car last a lifetime, or at least for over 500,000 miles without major repairs. 1. Don't always charge to 100%. This is perhaps the most crucial tip for battery longevity. Routinely charging your EV to 100% can degrade the battery over time. Think of it like constantly filling a balloon to its absolute maximum. Eventually, it weakens. The sweet spot for daily charging is typically between 20% and 80%. Many EVs even have settings to limit charging to a specific percentage. Use them. Of course, if you're planning a long trip, a full charge is fine, but don't make it a daily habit. 2. Avoid constant deep discharges. Just as overcharging is bad, consistently letting your battery drain to near 0% is also detrimental. Deep discharges put stress on the battery cells. Try to plug in your car before it drops below 20%. This keeps the battery in a healthier state and prolongs its overall life. 3. Go easy on the accelerator. Most of the time, we all love the instant torque of an EV. It's exhilarating. But constantly flooring it puts a lot of stress on the battery and the electric motors. Aggressive acceleration and deceleration generate more heat, which is the enemy of battery longevity. Enjoy the power when you need it, but for everyday driving, try to accelerate smoothly and gradually. Your battery will thank you. 4. Utilize regenerative braking. This is one of the coolest features of an EV and a fantastic way to conserve energy and reduce wear on your friction brakes. Regenerative braking converts kinetic energy back into electricity to recharge the battery. Mastering one-pedal driving, where you mostly use the accelerator to control speed and regeneration, not only extends your range but also significantly reduces wear and tear on your traditional brake pads and rotors. 5. Avoid extreme temperatures. Extreme heat and cold can both impact battery performance and longevity. In hot climates, try to park in the shade or use a sunshade. If your car has a battery cooling system, it will work harder in extreme heat. In cold climates, precondition your cabin while still plugged in. This uses grid power to warm the battery and cabin, rather than draining your battery. Also, understand that your range will be reduced in very cold weather. 6. Use level 1 or 2 charging for daily needs. While DC fast charging is convenient for long trips, it puts more stress on the battery due to the high power transfer and resulting heat generation. For your daily charging, stick to level 1, standard wall outlet, or level 2, 240V home charger. These slower charging methods are much gentler on your battery. 7. Keep your tires properly inflated. This might seem basic, but it's often overlooked. Properly inflated tires are crucial for efficiency and safety. Underinflated tires increase rolling resistance, which means your car has to work harder and consumes more energy, putting more strain on the battery. Check your tire pressure regularly, at least once a month. 8. Rotate your tires regularly. Just like any car, EVs benefit from regular tire rotations. Because of the instant torque and typically heavier weight, tires on EVs can wear unevenly. Rotating them every 5,000–7,500 miles ensures even wear, prolongs tire life, and contributes to better overall efficiency. 9. Check your brake fluid and coolant levels. While EVs have fewer fluids than gasoline cars, they still have some important ones. Brake fluid is critical for safe stopping, and coolant is essential for managing battery and motor temperatures. Refer to your owner's manual for recommended inspection intervals and fluid types. 10. Wash your car regularly, especially undercarriage. This isn't just about aesthetics. Road salt, dirt, and grime can accumulate on the undercarriage and other components, leading to corrosion over time. Regularly washing your car, especially the undercarriage, can prevent premature wear and rust, protecting critical components. 11. Keep software updated. EVs are essentially computers on wheels. Manufacturers frequently release software updates that improve efficiency, optimize battery management, and even enhance performance. Make sure your car's software is always up to date. Many updates can even be done over the air, making it incredibly convenient. 12. Don't neglect the 12 volts battery. Yes, even electric cars have a traditional 12-volt battery. This battery powers the car's accessories, lights, and starting systems, though not the main propulsion. If it dies, your EV won't start. Keep an eye on its health and replace it when needed, usually every 3–5 years, just like in a gasoline car. 13. Drive smart, drive consciously. Ultimately, the longevity of your EV comes down to how you drive and how you treat it. Be mindful of your driving habits, avoid unnecessary stress on the vehicle, and pay attention to any warnings or unusual behaviors. Your EV is an investment, and treating it with care will pay dividends in the long run. 14. Keep your EV garaged or covered when possible. Exposure to the elements can take a toll on any vehicle, and EVs are no exception. Parking your car in a garage or under a carport protects it from extreme temperatures, harsh sunlight, rain, and snow. This not only helps preserve the exterior finish but also shields sensitive electronic components and the battery from environmental stress, contributing to a longer lifespan. 15. Drive with a light foot on cold starts. Just like with a gasoline car, it's wise to avoid aggressive driving immediately after starting your EV, especially in cold weather. The battery and motors perform best when they've had a chance to warm up to optimal operating temperatures. Give your car a few minutes of gentle driving before asking for maximum performance, particularly if it's been sitting in freezing conditions. 16. Monitor your battery's state of health, SOH. Many modern EVs provide a state of health, SOH, metric, often accessible through the car's infotainment system or a connected app. This percentage indicates the current health and capacity of your battery relative to when it was new. Regularly monitoring your SOH can give you an early warning if your battery is degrading faster than expected, allowing you to adjust your charging habits or consult with a service center if necessary. 17. Don't carry unnecessary weight. Every extra pound your car carries requires more energy to move, putting additional strain on the battery and drivetrain. Regularly clear out your trunk and cabin of any unnecessary items. This habit not only improves efficiency and range but also reduces the overall workload on your EV's components, contributing to their longevity. 18. Pay attention to suspension and steering components. While EVs are simpler mechanically, they still have traditional suspension and steering systems that can wear out. Due to the instant torque and often heavier battery packs, these components can sometimes experience more stress. Listen for unusual noises, feel for vibrations, and have your suspension and steering checked during routine inspections. Addressing minor issues early can prevent more costly repairs down the line. 19. Clean your charging port regularly. The charging port is a crucial interface for your EV. Over time, it can accumulate dirt, dust, and even moisture. Periodically inspect and gently clean your charging port to ensure good electrical contact and prevent issues with charging. Make sure it's completely dry before plugging in. 20. Embrace predictive maintenance and manufacturer recommendations. Your car's manufacturer provides a detailed maintenance schedule in the owner's manual for a reason. While EVs require less frequent servicing than ICE cars, they still need it. Adhere to the manufacturer's recommended service intervals for inspections, fluid checks, and filter replacements, like cabin air filters. Beyond scheduled maintenance, listen to your car and address any unusual noises, lights, or performance changes promptly. Being proactive with maintenance is the best way to prevent small issues from becoming big, expensive problems. These additional habits, from protecting your car from the elements to listening to its subtle cues, will further contribute to your electric vehicle's long and healthy life. By integrating these practices into your routine, you're not just maintaining a car, you're preserving a valuable investment and ensuring countless miles of emission-free driving. What other habits do you think are crucial for EV longevity? Share your wisdom in the comments below.